Welcome to the Mind Duty. Today we bring you 15 things smart people don't do and what they do instead. The first question to be answered is what makes a person intelligent? Are there facts that one can memorize? Is it above average or a specific IQ? Sometimes, is it wise to make the right decision at a critical moment, or knowing how to make the best out of the dire situation? Is it possible to consider as many factors as possible before deciding on a future course of action? It can often be a good combination of all the features mentioned earlier. Of course, if someone is intelligent and successful, it is difficult to determine exactly what is responsible for that person's success and well-being. Truth be told, it is easier to see what these intelligent people are not doing and to come to a conclusion about what should be avoided. As long as we avoid these things, the rest will come naturally obviously. 1. They don't overlook the possibility to save money. Being able to manage and save your money by avoiding unnecessary expenses is an admirable quality. In fact, it is surprising how many small details there are, warranting closer scrutiny. These seemingly insignificant expenses can be easily avoided, and the amount of money you can save can be compared to something significant. What they do instead. Choosing a refillable cartridge refill instead of buying a new one is another reasonable investment. Replacing light bulbs in your home with energy-saving ones is another wise choice. It is also a good idea to use apps to reduce credit card processing fees. Or choose a larger bank as your provider instead of your local city bank. There is quality content on the internet, both educational and entertainment. Almost everything you come across can be found online as an online service or as an online newsletter at a low price. The point is to learn how to fully understand what you are already paying for or what you already have. That is what being intelligent is all about. 2. They do not rely heavily on others. It is not wrong to have friends, family, or helpers whom you can trust. There must be someone to trust when everything is difficult. However, putting too much trust in someone only portrays you as powerless. As an intelligent person, you should never become such. What they do instead. You may have a bright mind, a remarkable intellect, and so on. But if you do not make good use of those traits, you will only come off as incompetent. When you need help, pay close attention to whether your problem is really difficult. In many cases, it is our fear and insecurity that keeps us from acting. There is always the thought, what if I make the situation worse? The thought is perfectly justified. The unwillingness to overcome such a fear on the other hand isn't. 3. They do not act irresponsibly. Do not misunderstand this statement as, intelligent people have no fun, or, intelligent people are lazy. You can have fun, you can drink or have a good smile. Irresponsibility is not interested, it means that you like to lead an organized lifestyle. Whether you are a student, employee, business owner, artist or celebrity, high organization leads to greater efficiency. What they do instead. We all have specific responsibilities and they are not always imposed by someone else. Postponing them for no valid reason is simply packaging to move on to a more stressful future. Almost everyone experiences how irresponsibility tends to regress, but intelligent people practice what they learn from such difficulties. 4. They don't feel defeated when they need to reevaluate their convictions. Our living environment, our parents, our education and our past are all responsible for falsifying our beliefs and our understanding of the world. It leads to the creation of what is known as the Umwelt, which roughly translates to the self-centered world. Umwelt is more concerned with how we create the image of the world around us using our senses, but it can also expand our perspective on philosophical matters. The beliefs we hold throughout our lives are wrong, but they may prove inconsistent when exposed to a completely new experience or more difficult questions that need to be answered. Also, if you go out and change the environment, you will see different behavior patterns. Other human qualities flourish due to lack of education or education in some areas. Sooner or later, our beliefs will be challenged. Maybe they will win, maybe they will be trumpeted. What they do instead. Wise people constantly challenge their beliefs, they do not throw them away. They rearrange them and allow them to grow in proportion to their new experience. Don't miss the opportunity to expand your mind. If you get something valuable, you will not be defeated. 5. They do not dwell on their faults. To clarify, this means that big companies can produce bad products, or that good film directors can make bad movies. It is not unfair to come up with an idea for something that seems like a real masterpiece for us. The general public may not be that impressed. It can feel insulting and really unpleasant, however it happens, whether we like it or not. What they do instead. When you are making something intended to be appealing to the masses but in the end fails, start over again from scratch. If you want to get impression, listen to your audience choices. Do not attempt to customize the product or create successors to prove that your vision is brilliant. This kind of behavior only costs your credibility. Even if you can come up with something good, people will not bother to try it. If you know at what point to give up, it will not make you weak or stupid. It will give you more time to work back. 6. They don't allow their past actions to hold them back. The past cannot be erased, it will never return to haunt us, it will never be left behind. We need to learn how to engage with it successfully and not let it hinder our future achievements. If there is nothing useful in retrieving from past experience, close those gates and let it go. Past experiences make who we are today. And our previous problems can build a strong character, but people tend to use their past to justify their wrongdoing or behavior. Sometimes we use these excuses to make others understand or to make it easier for us to forgive. What they do instead. If you accept your shortcomings and refuse to do something about them because you have an excuse, you have chosen the easy way, and it is not something that intelligent people do. 7. They do not rely on fortune to solve problems. Hope for the best output but be prepared for the worst. A proper quote to guide when you invest your time and effort in something. Hope motivates us for the best possible opportunity, and preparing for the worst prevents us from breaking down. On the other hand, expecting things to be done on their own is no different than being lazy. Luck should only be a part of your success, considering that relying on it too frequently will only suffocate your ambition. What they do instead. Smart people never allow luck to get all their hard work and respect. When you set your heart and soul into achieving your goal, it would be disappointing to give good fortune the title of major contributor. 8. They do not neglect important aspects of their business. One of the key factors contributing to success is paying attention to details, or paying good attention in general. When someone is trying to become a smart business owner, he or she is generally governed by the idea that with a quality product, success is guaranteed. What they do instead. The absolute requirement for a successful sales period is reliability, which means you need to have a good advertising strategy. There are many people who personally offer amazing service or products, but they seem to be amateurs over the internet. 9. They do not hesitate to learn from their mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable. Sooner or later something goes wrong and an unaccounted for variable emerges and places a grave dent in our previously well-laid schemes. You cannot always control everything, and we do not have the level of awareness to look at every possible angle. It is wrong to remind ourselves of our shortcomings and to force them to minimize the impact they have on our lives. Mistakes always can teach us a lot about our lives and about ourselves, but only if we allow them to. What they do instead. Learning from your mistakes means finding what is valuable to escape from your unfortunate experience, understanding what is wrong and finding a way to avoid it in the future. Intelligent people use this input to work on themselves and changing what they have the power to change. Arrogant people look for excuses and choose to blindly believe in their favors without any retrospect. Not only does this kind of behavior will affect your future success, it also drives people and allies away from you. 10. They do not give up their ideas because others do not agree with them. I know that it was stated how knowing when to give up and start anew is a good thing. And how being too stubborn or pushy will definitely yield bad results. But a wise person knows when he or she should push the envelope and stand firm when the situation takes a turn for the worst. There is a difference between giving someone a chance at your idea and eventually disliking it and not giving your opinion at all. We are all entitled to creative feedback on why our ideas or products are not satisfactory. What they do instead. If someone wants to discard your efforts, do not let them. Fight for the opportunity you have to shine, or try to find someone else who will listen to you and appreciate your idea. There is always the possibility of intimidating someone with your special identity, so that person wants to hinder your development. If you want to launch something, look for more than one idea. Even if the first one is flattering, look for more. Constructive criticism can be used as a precious insight for the future. When you learn to embrace constructive criticism, you will grow. 11. They do not make strong statements that may appear weak in the future. Actions speak louder than words. Don't feel overconfident and use words of grandeur to describe your future actions. It only makes you look like an attention seeker who will inevitably lose his or her credibility. Credibility is very important for one's future and well-being. The loss of credibility had a very strong impact on the outcome of the present situation. What are they doing instead of? If you want to be taken seriously and to be respected, don't talk big without a means to back it up. Let your hard work tell your story. 12. They do not miss the opportunity to expand their experience. You can never become a complete human being, and you should never set such goals for yourself. However, a truly intelligent person will make a continuous effort to make progress in various fields. Science constantly expands our understanding of the world. It constantly tests theories and comes up with new ones. Even old or proven discoveries are never left to be re-examined, redefined and updated. They are constantly after progress, investigating what is most likely the truth, not what they want to believe the truth is. What they do instead. This is a good way to expand your database. In fact, scientists are generally those who have qualities or those who have the qualities of intelligent people. The majority of smart celebrities were scientists. What do you think? Will you agree with these facts or need to add more? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. If you are interested in digging up about this kind of stuff, make sure to stay tuned with us.